Lublin nazywany jest stolicą wschodniej Polski, jednak dziś...
Lublin is referred to as the capital of eastern Poland, but today, during the local government, 3C's Congress, it is becoming a kind of heart of the initiative. The opening speech of this year's edition was delivered by President Andrzej Duda. In it, he stressed the importance of the 3C's initiative for building security in both energy and strategic infrastructure connections.
jak i strategicznych połączeń infrastrukturalnych.
Jesteśmy zaledwie 100 kilometrów od
We are just 100 kilometers from the Polish border with Ukraine. Ukraine, which a year and 3 months ago fell victim to brutal Russian aggression. This is also why today, security is the main topic of virtually all our meetings.
Samorządowy Kongres Trójmorza ma za zadanie budować relacje.
The 3C's Local Government Congress is designed to build relations and a basis for economic development between local governments and micro-regions of Central Europe. It is part of the larger 3C's initiative, which consists of 12 countries located in the wider Central Europe. These include Austria, Bulgaria, Croatia, the Czech Republic, Estonia, Hungary, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Romania, Slovakia, and Slovenia. These countries are located in an area between 3C's, the Adriatic, the Baltic, and the Black Sea.
Morzami Adriatyckim, Bałtyckim i Morzem Czarnym.
Panie prezydencie, chciałbym podziękować.
Mr. President, I would like to thank you for this initiative and for the fact that we, as the poorer part of Europe, can work together to catch up to the rich countries.
Pracować razem, gonić kraje bogate.
Ja muszę powiedzieć, że przywiązuję jako marszałek.
I, for one, must say that as Speaker of the Sejm, I attribute a huge role to parliamentary diplomacy, and I am very happy about this Congress today, to which you have invited me, and that this parliamentary component has been woven into your meeting.
Parlamentarny.
Forum jest także okazją do podpisania.
The forum is also an opportunity to sign strategic documents, for example, in the field of higher education. The Minister of Education and Science, Przemysław Czarnek, signed an agreement on the establishment of a network of 3C's universities. The goal of this initiative is to strengthen international cooperation between academic centers, student exchange, and professorial staff.
Kadry profesorskiej.
13 such universities from 10 3C's countries are starting cooperation in Lublin today in the scientific, research, and development fields in order to conduct research in areas that are essential for the development of our 3C's countries.
Cały region Trójmorza chce ze sobą współpracować.
The entire 3C's region wants to cooperate with each other. The cooperation between our universities, Sofia University, probably Plovdiv University, the American University in Bulgaria, will certainly deepen, and we hope that the whole academic world in Bulgaria will also welcome this initiative with open arms.
Tą inicjatywę z otwartymi ramionami.
Już jutro udział w kongresie zapowiedział prezes Rady.
Prime Minister Mateusz Morawiecki has already announced his participation in the Congress tomorrow, and this second day will be devoted mainly to energy issues and building energy security. Also scheduled for tomorrow is the signing of a strategic agreement on the 3C's Initiative Network, which will also include Ukraine. From Lublin, Łukasz Żmuda, TV Republika.
Także Ukraina. Z Lublina Łukasz Żmuda, Telewizja Republika.